You can create multiple initializers to make it easier to create new instances of an object. In line 9, create a constant called account that is of type bank account. Set the name to Steve if you like. Start the account with a balance of 100. So we have a struct. This is an object called bank account. It can have a name. It can also have a balance. And you can see that we have an initializer here where we just set the name because it says self.name equals name. And the reason we can create this simple initializer is because the balance property has already been set to 0. And so if it's not part of the initializer, then the balance will automatically start at 0. You can also create a new instance of a bank account with a deposit. So here we say the initializer, we pass in the customer name, and we pass in the amount of money they initially deposit. And then we say self.name equals the name of the customer, and self.balance is the initial deposit, because that becomes the initial balance. So now let's go and create a new item. So what did it say? It said create a constant called account that is of type bank account. So to create a constant, we start with let. Create a constant called account that is of type bank account, and set the customer name. So set the customer name equal to Steve. So this is all we really have to do for this exercise. We do not have to pass in a deposit if Steve didn't make a deposit. That is optional. It's another initializer. So there's currently 2 ways that you can initialize this object to create an instance. Okay, let's move on.